Are you looking for the best 8-inch jointer? Here we will break down the top 7 best 8-inch jointer on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Dual Plate Jointer Kit. An alternative choice for those on a budget is the Dual 6.5 amp plate, which is a hand tool that you can use and operate with either a single hand or both hands. Designed for those who have less space, this tool is small enough that you can toss it in your tool chest and carry to the job site, but you'll find that it's dependable enough for most projects too. A large handle on the top lets you keep a firm grip on the tool without vibrations rocking your hands, and this handle is suitable for carrying the tool too. A 6.5 amp motor provides lots of power, but it's the revolutions that we really like because this model can produce up to 10,000 revolutions in a single minute. It moves quickly to help you remove a thin strip of wood when finishing a piece or cut down to a deeper depth to remove more of that wood. The plate on the base makes it easy to line up your cuts to get a smoother finish too. The fence located on this model adjusts to let you pick a tilt or angle between 0 and 90 degrees, and you can make flush cuts to even out your wood without removing the fence first. It also comes with an aluminum shoe that you can actually clamp down and into place for making accurate cuts without needing to move the tool. You can move the wood over the cutter head instead of moving the cutter head over the wood. At number 2. PorterCable Benchtop Jointer. PorterCable brings us another valuable option with their PC160JT benchtop jointer. This jointer also has variable speed ranges, allowing some versatility for your needs. The variable speeds can range from 6,000 to 11,000 RPM. The knives are easy to replace with a built-in headlock that allows you to adjust and replace them as necessary. This jointer is equipped with extra work support surfaces that allow you to handle 6 inches of width. The fence is center mounted to provide support while you're cutting, particularly for edge jointing. This is a highly rated option and it is easy to use and operate. You get to control every movement with both speed and accuracy in mind. While this jointer is great for hobbies, it doesn't handle hard or heavy materials very well. We also noticed that even when you're on the lowest speed, it seems like the speed is still running high. This could be a glitch in the design. At number 3. Jet 708457 DXK JJ6CSDX. A tad less powerful than our top pick, but no doubt extremely versatile, the Jet 708457 DXK is the best jointer for a home shop. It offers one of the longest cutting surfaces in its class and features an exclusive auto-set knife system for a quick change of any dull blades. An all-enclosed steel base cabinet adds stability on most surfaces, however, the machine produces more vibrations than you would expect. Despite this slight drawback, this unit is exceptional. It produces wonderful, silky smooth cuts and even comes with a 1/8-inch positive lock for the cut depth, a feature designed to keep inexperienced woodworkers from cutting too deep. Consistent 6,000 RPM also provides an excellent balance between speed and material removal, improving results. Whether you want to build doors, tabletops, or furniture, this user-friendly yet powerful jointer will help you achieve perfect results, and it's also greatly priced for its performance. At number 4. Benchtop Jointer. Whenever you are looking for woodworking tools, Delta Power Tools is the company that has made its name themselves and has been around close to 90 years in the market, developing every other woodworking tool you could imagine. This signifies that their products are made with extreme accuracy and precision. Most of the parts of this tool are made of durable cast iron, which reduces vibration, improves stability, and gives finer results, also explaining its heavyweight. The price point of this jointer is slightly higher on the scale, but is justified in all ways. Although in terms of dust collection, it does not come with an internal exhaust fan and requires an external vacuum system to be used at all times. It is essential that you use a vacuum device at all times as the wood shavings will get everywhere in your garage. At number 5. Powermatic 1,791,317K 54HH. The Powermatic 1,791,317K is very similar to its older brother reviewed above with small trimmed down features. It has a less powerful motor and shorter arms, but yet it still delivers the same consistent and smooth experience to the user. We like the build quality in this model and tip our hat to Powermatic for the effort they went through in making this model. It is user-friendly and more affordable as well. The front on-off switch is a simple and yet sweet addition. You will be amazed how many manufacturers place this in awkward positions. It is a potential health hazard anywhere except placed at the front. This wood jointer has a good weight and the design form factor absorbs shock for a smoother and linear experience. The knives are minutely calibrated to cut material at a 14-degree angle. This delivers more accurate cuts and requires less passes. At number 6. Cutic 40160 HCT. The Cutic 40160HCT uses a spiral cutter head instead of a typical helical cutter head. The 10-amp motor produces enough speed for the unique cutter head to achieve a smoother finish compared to other available models. Cutic 40160HCT is newbie-friendly since it's easy to set up. You do not need any technical knowledge to set up the machine. With your woodwork knowledge, it will take you less than 30 minutes to set up the aluminum fence and voila. The aluminum fence is also easy to control. The aluminum fence can be adjusted to achieve any tilt between 90 and 135 degrees. Therefore, you can easily ensure that every pass is up to millimeters accurate. At number 7. Powermatic 1610086K Model 60HH. Reliable and dependable jointers can last you plenty of years as you move from project to project, and the Powermatic 1610086K is a popular choice when it comes to finding a heavy-duty jointer. The Powermatic can do a lot more than your average jointer, for it has a helical cutter head equipped with 4-sided inserts that give you a much quieter, smoother, and more appealing result. If you need to work with wooden boards that are a little longer than usual, the jointer's arms are extra long at 73 inches, compared to the average 30 inches with regular jointers, which gives you a lot more space to work with long pieces of lumber. The end feet of the jointer can be adjusted rather easily, and the fence also has inserts to help prevent scratching and marking up the table as you're adjusting it. The Powermatic has a worm gear system, which is a hand-operated system for less hassle when tilting the fence. Something unique that the Powermatic has is that it offers you the option of using either 4-side helical cutter heads or 3-side knives, depending on how you'd like your results. The push blocks are magnetic so that they can be easily stored away as they can stick to any metal surface. In terms of power, the Powermatic is driven by a heavy-duty 2 HP motor for smooth cutting, and the motor is also rather quiet for a jointer of this size. This is not a jointer that you can take anywhere with you, considering it weighs a hefty 518 pounds. While it has many handy features, it's quite an investment, so it may not be too ideal for those looking for something much more affordable. The Powermatic isn't that user-friendly, and you have to be fairly handy in order to set it up.